Guys, in this session we will learn how to manage the platform in which our Cordova application will be run. For this we need to switch to the command prompt. I am already in the directory where my Cordova project was stored. I am now switched to the file explorer. You can see that there are two directories within the platform directory for the Android and for the BlackBerry 10. To see the available platform or the installed platform in our project, we need to use the Cordova platform list command, which will provide the available platform as well as install platform. You can see that there are two install platform and following are the available platform. If you want to remove any platform, then you need to write Cordova platform remove. Let's remove the BlackBerry 10. So I am write BlackBerry 10 and hit the enter button. You can see that there are two folders, and now BlackBerry 10 was removed from the file explorer. If you want to add the Windows 10 support, then you need to write some special command. For this we need to use Cordova platform add windows aka.ms/Cordova-win10 and hit the enter button. This is the temporary URL given by the Microsoft for the Windows 10 support. It was cloning from the given URL. You can see that the Windows directory was added in our platform directory. It produced the some warning because we are on the older version of the Cordova. Let's see what we are learning in this session. For adding platform, we need to use the Cordova platform add command followed by the name of the platform, which can be iOS, Android, WP8 for the Windows Phone, Windows, and etc. We can also remove the platform by using the Cordova platform remove command followed by the platform name. Thanks for watching.